am KANGPHILL, and today, this video is for my diet, especially the like to walking. Before start my video, I'm going to introduce this product. It's XiaoMi 5 Mi Band 5. 2 years ago, I think I had been used to the Xiaomi Band 3 or 2, but Xiaomi Mi Band 2, I remember there's no clock, but you can see there's time. Xiaomi Mi Band 5, definitely it shows time. So I decided to buy this product. Today's video is unboxing. It's not very familiar with my video. Okay. I'm not good at the introduce some products, so just start. Okay. First, and one more. This camera angle is not good because unboxing always like this angle, but I don't have enough camera, so like this I'm going to unbox it. Okay. The first one is kind of cable connector. It's a cable connector, and this memo, and finally main body. This is Mi Band 5, and I found out that I can't change this band. Yes. Okay. Wow. Not bad. And can see text. It's my first time, so I don't know what's that. Then from today, I'm going to use this band every day. Now I'm downloading the language pack. I'm going to change English, but it takes a long time. I've been working for a week wearing a Xiaomi Mi Band 5. For now, I love to see the clock. Maybe I am old school, and I enjoy the visual aspect because I could organize the screen as much as I want. But you wanna change the screen, but you first need to download the Xiaomi app. Then there is a store in app. Then you can buy. I think you don't need to buy. Anyways, you can choose many the screens. Sometimes you can use your own photo. So it's very helpful. I love this function. And of course, it was perfect. Sometimes forgetting to wear this band. Maybe in my case, Wednesday I forgot to wear this I forgot to wear this band, so my steps on just 4,000 steps. How can I forgot? And I set my goal at 10,000 steps a day, but it's definitely hard to achieve. 10,000 steps. I was crazy. And I couldn't tell you when I unboxed, it is so comfortable to charge it. Let me see. Because it looks like this. You see? Looks like this. So when you want to charge this band, you don't need to take out the body. You don't need to take out this body of the band. You don't need to take out just this connector and like this. It's very comfortable. It's nearly comfortable. So just and then that's very comfortable. So I love this function. But it certainly helped me a lot because I could check my workout every day. You can see how much you worked a day and how much calories you consumed. And if you start working, you can check various information such as a working section or map. Anyways, thanks to this band, I'll be able to exercise hard. And I couldn't work much this week. Dieting is nearly not easy. It's nearly not easy. Even though I have XiaoMi Band, it's nearly hard. I think I should take a walk with my dog often. So from now on, I walk around Guangzhou and I'll try to shoot 6-2 series. I mean, I'm gonna make many films which relate to 6-2 series. You probably didn't forget why my 6-2 series is working. Okay, today's video is done, and thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye bye.